Hello everyone, myself Komal Sharma and I am an intern at Modlingua. Today I am going to talk about translation and seven procedures of translation in French language. So basically, what is translation? The translation is the art of converting written words from one language to another language. It consists two type of languages. First is source language and target language. The main objective of translation is to transfer the intent of a message and original tone, taking into consideration regional and cultural differences between target language and source language. Translation can be classified into two categories: non-business related and business related. And as we know that there are different type of translations, like technical, legal, administrative, etc. And as I told you, I am a student of a French language. So in French, there are seven procedures of translation. First is borrowing, second is calque, third is literal, fourth is transposition, sorry, and fifth is modulation, sixth is equivalence, and seventh is adaptation. And now I am going to talk about one of the procedure of translation, which is transposition, and it calls in French transposition. Transposition. The method called transposition involves replacing one word class with another without changing the meaning of the message. Being beside being a special translation procedure, transposition can also be applied within a language. For example, if I say il a annoncé que il reviendrait in French language, if I say il a annoncé qu'il a reviendrait, can be re-expressed by transposing a subordinate verb with noun, like il a annoncé son retour. Il reviendrait, there is a verb which is subordinate with a noun, like son retour. Second example is as soon as he gets up. In English, as soon as he gets up. In if we translate by transposition in French, we can say easily they kill they sont levés. They sont levés at the place of dès que il se lève, because here we transposing a verb with a noun. And now second, I want to talk about little bit the second procedure, which is very important in translation in French, which is modulation. So modulation is a variation of the form of the message obtained by a change in the point of view. For example, if I say it is not difficult to show, in English, if I say it is not difficult to show, if I translate into French language, we can say il est facile de démontrer. Il est facile de démontrer. Here we change the point of view from source language to target language.